Okay, guys, let's move to the next part. Okay, I hope we have done it now, right? Able to understand this one. Now, everybody, see this thing carefully. Now, we will build a linear regression model. Everybody, first of all, I'll explain you what is linear regression. Remember that linear regression comes under into supervised machine learning model, supervised ML. Okay, in supervised machine learning, in maybe I'll write like this way, in supervised. Okay, and here we will come unsupervised, supervised machine learning. Okay, linear regression first model we are talking about that comes under into supervised machine learning. What is this model name is? Model name is linear regression. What is linear regression? Linear regression is nothing but regression means one of the problem. Regression means you want to predict the price of a house, salary of a person. That means you're going to predict the numerical value. First thing, okay? The meaning of a linear here, it's nothing but a single line. Hmm? I will show you here. The formula here is y is equal to mx plus c. Maybe you're reading 10, 12 standard, right? Just come here. I will tell you. Come here. Come here. Linear regression gather. Okay. Maybe I'll explain this thing with you first. Where is it? Here is not there. Fine. Go to this one. Here it's not there also. Fine. Not Gaggle. Okay, I'll go this one. Platform. Come this one. Not this simple more explanation I want. No, 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 not this, not this, not this. Can you see this? Yes. Everybody, see that carefully now. Everybody, see. This is a linear regression. Can you see this? This is the linear regression. How? Can you see this is below? This is the x-axis. Huh? This is the x-axis. X-axis called it as a independent variable. Okay, and this is called the dependent variable. Dependent variable. Okay, I'll explain this thing more. Just understand. Below it's a x-axis. X-axis called it as a independent variable. Left hand side, this is called the dependent variable. Called it as a y. And this is what black this is the data. Okay, in this data this blue line call it as a linear line. Okay, linear means linear means a one line which passes through the data, which is not too near to any point, which is not too far to any point. This is called the linear regression. Are you getting my point, guys? What I'm trying to say, everyone? Hmm? This is the linear regression. Come down. Once you come, and the formula is very simple. Formula is this beta, not beta, just remember this. Y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, this is the formula, will be same always. And interview might ask, tell me what is the linear regression formula. You have to say, sir, y is equal to mx plus c. This is the linear regression formula simply. Okay, come here. Then can you see this? This is how it works. Huh? This is how it works. Slope means m in the formula. Y is equal to mx. M is slope. Okay, this data point and this green line called it as an error. Okay, error means the distance between the data point and the this line, red line. Which one I want to repeat? Tell me, Rajiv. I'll repeat it one more time. Which one you want me to repeat? This one. Hmm? Hmm?
I just it's Richard.
Come again, Rajiv.
Yes, that part.
Okay, wait. Let me take a whiteboard. Do I have a whiteboard? Because I will build something here for you. Whiteboard. Uh, start whiteboard. Fine. Okay, let me make something here for you. I'll continue with my mail. Okay, it's asking of me to authentication. Give me a minute. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, come on, I'll not do this. Uh, it's happening. See this now, everybody. Understand, understand. I have a EXP. E stands for experience of a person. I'm writing X. Everybody see this. Experience of a person. Another column is salary. I'm writing SAL. Okay. Experience is 2 years. Salary is 1 lakh. Take an assumption. Experience is 3 years. Salary is 5 lakh rupees. Anything. Experience is 10. Salary is 2 crore rupees or 1 crore rupees. Anything. And so on. Hmm? Tell me. Understood this first of all, everybody? Tell me. Understood this? Hmm? Everyone. Now come here. Can you see this? This experience called it as X always. And the value which I want to predict, this called it as a Y. Can you see this Y? What is Y here, everyone? Because salary I want to predict, na? Isn't it? What will be the salary if a new team member is joining my company, like 20 years of an experience? What should be the salary of a person? Hmm? This is something you want to predict. So w- this is salary. This salary called as a Y. Y means which I want to predict. Okay, and we have to make a graph like this. This is my x-axis. X-axis means x means experience, isn't it? This is my y. Y means salary of a person, isn't it? Isn't it? And this is my data point. Can you see this? Which person having a 2 years of an experience, salary is 1 lakh rupees, something like this, right? This is the one data point, isn't it? Similarly, this, these are my data points. Getting it? This is my data point. Now you want to in this data you have only 10 years of experience of our people, hmm, who are having 2 years of an experience, 5 years of an experience, 3 years of an experience. This kind of a data you have, but tomorrow someone is joining your company having 20 years of an experience, but the data you have only 10 years. What should be the salary based on this? Based on this pattern, machine learning or linear regression will predict, will passes through a best fit line through this. Basis on that, it will predict, okay, the 20 years of an experienced person salary should be 5 crore rupees. Are you getting my point? Basis on this pattern. Are you getting my point? What is linear regression? How it works? Everyone, everybody. Huh?
Yes, I got it.
Yeah. What about rest people? This is the linear regression. Always. This is the linear regression. Hmm? Now, sir, we understood the linear regression. This is how it works. Yes, this is how linear regression works. Now simply build a model. Build a model. Come here. Build a model. Go back. Go back. Go back. Linear regression, not this. Come to this one. Mm, I will download this data. I'm downloading this data. Sales. Okay. Advertising data you have. Can you see this, everyone? Hmm? Not into that actually. I will run this code here rather than I don't need to download and upload it. This is something you have to do it, okay? Let me run it. See this? Everybody see this? The first step I'm doing here, I told you 6 steps of machine learning, right? The first step of machine learning. I am collecting a data. See this. Come on, come on. This should run. I am collecting a data. Tell me, data is understandable for you or not? Oh, you're showing some error. Okay, maybe I have to upload a file here. Wait. Let me upload a file here. Otherwise, it will give me an error. Okay. Right. Click on it. Copy the path. Maybe I have to put the path here like this. Run and run all. This should work now. Come on. Okay. Tell me. This is the first step I'm doing. I'm writing here. Step 1. Data collection. Tell me. Data is understandable or not, everyone? And in this data, what do you think? What I have to predict, everyone? What I have to predict? Huh? Everybody.
Sales.
Sales, definitely. Sales will be the prediction value. This is called as a Y, remember? And this newspaper, radio, TV, all these three columns will become my X. Are you getting my point? X. Why? You understand like this, na? If a TV 230, the TV value is 230, radio 37, newspaper 69.2. Total sale I got today $22.1, pound, anything. Okay. But tomorrow you got a sale 2000, 2000 TV, 3000 radio, 6000 newspaper. What will be the sales? This is something you have to predict, right? Now the second step again. Did you remember? I told you here. I told you here. See, in machine learning, the first step is data collection. Now the second step, data cleaning if required, data manipulation if required. Okay. Then the third step is EDA, where we visualize the data, analyze the data for understanding it better. Okay. We are not doing data cleaning. We are not doing data manipulation. Why? Because it is not required. Our data is clean enough. See, this data is clean, na? No numerical, no categorical value, no irrelevant column, isn't it? So data cleaning is not required. So we are performing directly a EDA where we analyze the data. Come here, see this. Shape is a function. It's showing you the shape of a data. I have 200 records, four columns. Info is a function. Info is showing you each and every column information. 200 not null record. There is no null value. Data type is float like this. Describe is a function which is telling you the mean value of a column, each and every column. This is something perform. I'm not performing all these things because this is something you have to do it from your own. Now, once we do that, can you see this? We have to perform. I'm directly jumping to the model building. Huh? Model building. Model building part is nothing but come down. This is my model building part. Can you see this? This is my model building. Huh? How to do a model building? See this, everybody. This is the first step in when we build the model. Can you see this? What will be my X? What will be my Y? Is it understandable for you? Tell me first, everyone. Hmm? Is it understandable for you, everybody? Tell me, anyone? No, I will tell you. No, no, no. You understand it, Ashraf. I'll tell you. See, what is X? X is a TV. Okay, come here. Come to the whiteboard. Come to the whiteboard. Nah, you know that. How can I clean this? There is a rubber. Okay, maybe okay, okay. We have to go back. It's not allowing me to. Oh, I don't want to share. Where is the rubber? Come on. Okay, maybe I can build it. Can you see this? Everybody see this? Everybody see that? Ashraf here. See? See here. What is X? X is a TV column. Hmm? Above, I have multiple column. Can you see this? I have multiple column here. Huh? To predict the sale, to predict the sale, I have a newspaper, radio, TV. You can pick any of a column. Hmm? They have picked only TV column, isn't it? You can pick radio, you can pick newspaper, or you can pick three of them. Okay. Right now they are picking only TV column. TV column is a X. X means independent. Independent means, do you know the meaning of independent? I will tell you. Sales is my dependent. Dependent means this column sales is not depending anywhere. Depending means, sorry, my bad. This column sales is depending. This column is depending. This sales is depending upon what? Newspaper, radio, and TV. Based on these three values, sales is coming, na? So this is dependent column. Newspaper is independent. This value is not depending upon anywhere. This is independent. TV is independent. Are you getting my point? And this is my X. Can you see? This is my X. This is my Y. X will be what? Tell me. X will be what? X will be TV. Huh? X will be TV. And Y will be what? Y will be sales. And the values are somewhere like this. Are you getting my point? What I'm trying to say? See this part now. Where is it? Model building. See this part now. Tell me. This is my independent. Independent. This is my dependent. Dependent. Tell me. Understood now? Yes. Hmm? Any one of you? No? Yes.
I believe I got the X and Y stuff, but
Hmm.
I was a bit wondering why actually they chosen only TV. And
Ah,
honestly
that's what I'm saying.
speaking,
That's
when
what I'm saying.
you
It is
put
not
the table
required
ID, I
only
understand the
to pick a
numbers.
one column. No, no, no. I'll tell you. There is not required to pick only one single column TV. Why we are picking up? Because to understand, you can pick another column newspaper also. Newspaper, no problem at all. Huh? There is no restriction. You have to pick only one single column. No. Why we are picking up only one single column? To understand it better. Only. Okay. Understood? Yes. Now, once we do that, come here. What's the next step? Can you see this? Always, I have to split my data. Everybody see this. There is a library from sklearn.model selection. Import train test splits. Train test split means to split a data. So why we are splitting a data? Remember that. Very important. Maybe I can do this. Okay, and see this now. This is very important. Come here. Uh, oh, how can I improve this? Wait. Online whiteboard. Okay, it's not allowing me. Creatively, it's coming. Start workspace. I will do it over here. Okay, see this now. Oh, I don't want to sign up or sign in. Come on. Online whiteboard. I'll go this tutorial point. See this one now. Everybody see that now. Hmm? I'm saying, I'm talking about this part. Everybody see this. I have to split my data. Can you see this? I am splitting my data X and Y. I am splitting. Why I'm splitting into four part. Why? I will tell you. Come here. It is important. See, this is my TV column. Hmm? This is my TV column. This is my sales column. Hmm? Sales column. Or you can understand this is my simply X. Okay. And this is my simply Y. Okay. This is my Y. Hmm? And I have a value here somewhere like this. I have a value like this. Okay. Now, maybe I can close it into a box. This is my data looks like. Tell me. This is my data looks like, guys. Tell me first. This is my data looks like. Huh? Yes. Tell me. This is my data looks like, na?
Yes, sir.
Then, whenever we have a data like this, always remember we have to split our data into two partition. Remember, yeah, sometimes 70-30, 70% data and 30% data. 70% data will call it as a training data where my model will learn. This learning called it as a training, train, okay? And 30% called it as a test data, okay? So this is my X. So this above 170% called as a X train. Everybody see that? X train. The variable name will be X train. Huh? What this will called? This will called as a Y train, isn't? Both the columns are partitioning, na? Y train, Y train. Hmm? Below called it as a 30% X test. But this is the test data. Four columns will be there. Four partition I will do. This will call as a Y test. Tell me, understood these three things? Huh? Sorry, these things 70-30, or this can be sometimes 80-20, 80 this, 20 this. So who will decide 80-27-30? This is something we have to decide. No one. Business will tell you. Okay. There's nothing standard way to 30-20, 30-70 or 80-20. Are you getting my point? I'm splitting my data into four partition. Why? Well, this is required. This is how my machine learning model will learn. And this will same for all the model, whatever we have built later on also. Tell me, getting it, everyone? Yes. Now come here. I have four partitions of the data. Come here now. Come here. Can you see this? Once I run it, see what is mentioned? Training size 0.7. That means 70%. Test size 0.3%. That means 30% data will go to testing. 70% data will go to training. This is the library I have import. Train test split. Call the library train test split and pass here X and Y with the size of 70-30. I have mentioned here. Now, after splitting the data, it will be stored into X train, X test, Y train, Y test. Is it easy? Now, once we split the data, come here, come here. Here, I am calling a model. Can you see this? Okay, they are building, they are calling a OLS model. OLS is nothing but this is the linear regression model. Simply understand. This is a linear regression model. Linear regression model. Again, today we are going to touch up only. More in detail will go tomorrow. This is something I am building a linear regression model. sm.ols. This is something I'm calling sm.add constraint. Or maybe what I can do now, what I can do here, I will go to ChatGPT and say build a linear regression model. Okay, linear regression model with dummy data because that will be faster, I believe. Okay. Uh, Oh, very easy it is. See, it will be more faster for you because I will run this over here. Now, see, everybody, you will tell me, this is my data. Data is understandable. Tell me, data is understandable for you guys. Hmm? Tell me, what is
Yes, sir.
X? What is X? What will Y then here?
X is the experience, Y is the salary.
Salary, because salary I have to predict. Now come here, everybody see that. This is correct or wrong? Tell me what I'm doing here. This is correct or wrong? This is correct or wrong?
Correct.
X is experience, isn't it? X is experience, and this is called the independent variable. Fine. Y is salary. Fine. Then what I have to do here? Come here. I have to split the data. See, I have to split the data. Remember, I have to split the data. Splitting my X and Y. Test size 0.2. If it's test size 0.2, training size automatically will be 80%. Okay, run it. Run it. Run. I have split my data. Come here. Now here I'm building a model. See this, everybody. Here we are building a model. See this? See, this is called a building a model. Linear regression is a library I have import above. See this? Linear regression library I have imported. Oh, come on. See? Linear regression I have imported here. Linear regression, I am calling this library here. Linear regression library I am calling here, storing into a model variable, and here I'm fitting. Fitting means I'm training or learning, you can say learning the model from the data. Here, my model is learning from the data. And we always have to train the data model with training data, X train and Y train. Test will not there. In fitting, fit means training. At training, training data will be there always. Okay, let's run this. See, model built successfully, isn't it? Come down, make a predictions. Make a predictions. When we have to make a prediction, model.predict.x test. This is something always will be same. This will always will be same. Okay, and build it here. We build it here. See this? This is my intercept coefficient. Intercept means c. The formula is, remember, the formula is y is equal to mx plus c. Hmm? C is nothing but intercept. This is the value of c. Huh? This is the value of coefficient. Coefficient means m value. M. Hmm? All these values are there. Basis on this, I'm getting a accuracy is 99%. Can you see 0.99? My accuracy is 0.99%. Got some idea now, guys, what we did, what we have done and how it's working? Everybody, to build the model, easy steps. This is my data. If not required, I will not clean the data and all. Directly, I am splitting my data x and y, then x train, y train, call the model, and predict the accuracy. That's it. These are the steps always we have in a linear regression. Tell me, everybody. Hmm? Can we do it? Able to understand this thing first? Tell me. Tell me, guys. Were you able to understand this? Yes. Now I am sharing this link with you. I want you to build the linear regression model from your end right now. From your end. Hmm? I am coming to this part, sharing this with you. Hmm? Do this right now. Everybody.
Thanks for watching the video. Our knowledge partners, certification alliances, and curriculum creators are. Join our popular courses and get an immersive learning experience as we proudly serve as a global trailblazing training solutions provider. Dealing with grinding a revolution in upskilling by offering comprehensive and specialized training programs. Following are our services: instructor-led virtual training, on-site training, corporate training, exclusive and individual training, self-paced training, classroom training, customized training, campus training. To know more about our courses, visit our website. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video.